In this video, first we are going to set up this router. So first thing, we have to import the express module. So the second thing is we have to create the instance of this router. So you can give any name. So in my case I'm using router. So export. So we have this. So this router instance will help to set up all these API routes. So first let me export route. Okay, so how many controllers we have total number of 4. First one is add, delete, get all elements and update. So in our case we'll be creating 4 routes for this. So let's create router dot get. So this get is nothing but to get all these. It's a HTTP method, and it helps to fetch the data from database. So let's get item, and here we'll be passing the controller functions, all the controller functions. So it's not defined yet, so let's put something like for testing whether this router is working or not. So I'll simply pass one controller function, and this controller function takes 2 parameters. First one is the request and the second one is response. So let's print something, anything, response dot send. Right, I am working. So we have export this one. So in the server.js file we have to import it. So two more modules we have to import. So first one is course. So this module, this middleware will be using, so when our Angular application will start communicating to our backend. And the second one will be importing its body parser. So this module will help you. Okay, so if you are calling some API, so you need to pass something as a request body. So what kind of data you are passing, so that type of the data will defined by this body parser. So in our case we'll be passing JSON. So let's add this body parser.json. And whenever we are going to use these middleware, so we have to be careful about the sequence. So first the sequence will be okay. So for this security purpose we have to use cause first, then it will be coming to body parser, and after that it will move to this router, so where we have defined all the routers. So now use this. Okay, so our first router is ready. So let's check whether it's working fine or not. Since it's a localhost 2000, see here I can see that I'm working fine. That means our router is ready. So let's define the rest 3. Okay, so first one is to get all the items. Let's change it to items, and second one would be add item. So let's remove this. While adding the item, the method would be post, and this would be delete. For deleting the item, so let's change the name, delete item, and this is for put to update item. So let's remove all the controller function. So our router setup is done. So in the next video we'll be adding all these controllers, and we'll be importing all these controllers here, and we'll passing the name of the controllers.